Do you ever feel tired, even when you haven't done much? You wake up and already feel low energy, or small tasks feel more exhausting than they should. This is very common with ADHD. And it's not just physical. It's mental fatigue. Do you feel mentally tired more than physically tired? ADHD brains often work harder to do everyday things. Focusing, starting tasks, staying on track, all of that takes more effort. So even if it doesn't look like much on the outside, your brain has been working. That's why you may feel tired faster than others. It's not laziness. It's mental load. One way to help with this is to build in intentional breaks. Not just when you crash, but before. Short resets can help your brain recover and keep going. Another helpful step is to reduce decision fatigue. Simplify small choices when you can. If you feel tired often, you're not alone. And it doesn't mean there's something wrong with you. Your brain may just be doing more work than it seems. This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. If this helped you understand your ADHD brain, subscribe to Focus Mode ADHD.